Today we will talk about Kaspa and different coins that I was thinking about buying, and I'm pretty sure that these are going to go quite well over this bull run. Over the past year, people that not just bought Kaspa but especially started mining Kaspa with any type of devices, whether it's like an ice river miner, which can cost you like $6, $8, up to $12,000 a piece. People have been farming a lot of coins. Now, despite farming a lot, there is still 14% that is not in circulating supply, and we are at a market cap of over $4 billion. Now, while we are up over 3x since the last year, if we look at the all-time chart, that's even better. I heard about Kaspa probably around end of 2022, and I thought, who cares? It's just a token. Well, turns out maybe I should have cared, because it's more than a token, it's a whole chain, for which they recently not just launched, their own token, which has been out for 2 years, but they launched their own tokens on their network called KRC-20. Some of the notable tokens, or at least like meme coins that I heard about, were Nacho the cat, as well as Kaspa the ghost. If you ever watched TV like 20 years ago or so, you probably know Kaspa as a ghost. This one, based on the name, is a strong foundation when it comes to a token. And then every single chain has a dog and has a cat, and in this case, Nacho the cat is the cat for this chain, as the, I guess, CEO Shy over here has a cat named Nacho, and they are here to power the future of KRC-20. But the question is, well, this is great and all, how do we buy those things? Because in most cases, you can go to any exchange down here and simply buy the tokens. But for these upcoming new meme coins that have a market cap of like $10 million, where I think for Kaspa the Ghost, we can even see the current market cap somewhere on the site. I think when you select charts, we see that it's at $8 million right now. And some people in here got like a 100x when they minted it immediately at launch. But since then, things became pretty stable. Now here's the thing, with Kaspa being one of the biggest coins out there, it's sitting in the top 25 of all of crypto. The moment that catches on and more people join, then the current biggest meme coins are going to grow a lot more. So $8 million for one of the biggest meme coins on this chain is really low. For example, if you look at Harry Potter Obama Sonic 10 Eno, one of the best coins ever made, this is at $127 million. It's completely useless. It even has the ticker symbol Bitcoin. It's a meme without any purpose at all, or any category it falls into. It's just dumb. And if this is at 127 mil, then something that looks better and is part of a new and upcoming chain can probably get above $8 million for sure. Now that's great and all. Let's say you like the cat, you like Kaspa the ghost, you like anything else on here. How do you give them money? Because as mentioned, you can't just go to an exchange and buy it. They aren't even listed, if you search over here, they aren't even listed on CoinMarketCap yet. You have to do a different thing. First of all, you have to install the Kasware wallet. That is the main wallet for Kaspa. It's a browser extension. Like always, you create a new wallet, write down your seed phrase, have it as an extension up here. Then you buy Kaspa on an exchange and send some over in order to make transactions. Now you have to connect this wallet with the Telegram bots that allow you to buy things on-chain directly, which would look like this. What can this bot do? Deploy, mint, and transfer KRC-20 tokens on the Kaspa mainnet and explore the latest trends in the ecosystem. Once you start the bot down here, it will give you a couple different options. We can see which bot is currently available, and it tells you, as you can't mint simultaneously with the same Kaspa wallet on all bots, we suggest you to generate 10 new ones and use the wallet 1 for bot 1, wallet 2 for bot number 2. So if you want to mint lots of tokens, as in token just gets released, and you want to get some yourself, having a setup of 10 wallets connected to 10 bots can make this a lot faster. But let's say we click on bot number 8, as there's nobody in here, select start. It will give you a rundown on the main commands. You can check the balance that you have in your wallet, you can refer people to it, you can see anything that is trading. Let's say we click on trading and see our top gainers over here. Nacho being number 1, Cooper number 2, Yoran number 3. Kaspa the ghost that we talked about is number 6, and in order to make transactions in here, you have to either generate a new wallet, so you can create your whole crypto wallet with this bot in here, or you import your wallet, which you generate with Kasware. You can do whatever you prefer. I personally would go Kasware first, so you have something in your browser, and then connect it to your Telegram bot, but you do what you like. And then in there, on the marketplace, you can buy and sell tokens. Once everything is connected, you click the different buttons. It walks you through. As long as you can read and understand English, you are good to go. All in all, when it comes to mining crypto, when most people go with Bitcoin or Ethereum, Kaspa has been rising quite a lot. And from what I've seen on YouTube, for people that have it as a hobby to mine some tokens on the side or have their rigs of graphic cards, they all tend to go into Kaspa over time. This can be quite expensive though, as some of the Most profitable, Kaspa and Alphinium ASIC miners are at around $1,400 down here, up to $12,400. Now this one is even sold out because people tend to buy more and more of them. And imagine you bought something like this before and then check the price for Kaspa at the moment and see that it did a 3 to 4x over the past year alone, and it's probably going to go up more, then this paid for itself right away. I think long-term, Kaspa is going to be one of the chains for this bull run, same as Base, and probably even AVAX or Solana when it comes to gaming. But I think the days of the Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, and Bitcoin being the most used chains are going to slowly fade away, especially when it comes to more innovation in the space. With that being said, I will leave links to a couple things down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.